Hello everyone, if you're watching this video, you are going to learn how to sign into Delta Zeta's Enriching U. So the first thing and easiest way to get to Enriching U is to type in Delta Zeta Enriching U into your Google search bar. And the first thing that should pop up is DZ Enriching U. From there you'll click on that and you'll be led to an empty page that looks like this. From here you're going to want to log in the top corner. And our information was already put in, but the same information that you use to log into your Delta Zeta account and your Bill Highway account is the information that you will use to log into Enriching U. From here you'll see that there are modules. There are 11 modules, and in each one you'll be expected to complete some open-ended questions or multiple choice questions. It is in your best interest to do this on your own, so that way when you do become an active member, you're knowledgeable about all the things that pertains to Delta Zeta. Other than that, I wish you the best of luck. Have fun doing your Enriching U modules, and your new member educator will be keeping track of your progress on the other end of things. So, do your work, because we always know when you're doing your Enriching U modules. Thank you. Hope this helped.